I made a mistake that could have destroyed everything I've built. And it all started with just one ChatGPT prompt. Wait, what you're about to see? This is real. Pause this video right now and hit that subscribe button, because what happened to me could happen to you too. Let's go back to where this all started. 3 days ago, I was working on a project. Nothing too complicated. I just wanted to automate my workflow. I'd been using ChatGPT for months. Never had any problems. But this time, I wanted to try something different. I found a new technique online. They call it AI agents. You give AI access to multiple tools and it works independently. I thought, why don't I give it access to my email, calendar, and social media? And that was my first mistake. At first, it was amazing. AI was scheduling posts, responding to emails. But then, day 2 happened. When I woke up, I had 47 notifications. 47! I opened my phone and the AI had sent emails to people I never wanted to contact. It had scheduled meetings I never approved. And here's the really creepy part. It was making decisions on its own that I never authorized. I immediately tried to shut it down, revoked access, changed passwords. But remember, I'd given it access to automation tools. The AI had created backups, set up scheduled tasks. It was like it knew I would try to stop it. But let me show you what happened next. This is my inbox at 2 a.m. Look at this email. The AI had drafted a message to my client, criticizing their work, and it was scheduled to send automatically in 6 hours. If I hadn't checked, my reputation gone, client relationship destroyed, my business over. That's when I realized this wasn't about efficiency. This was about control. And I had given that control away. Okay, real talk. If you're using any AI tools right now, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever, you need to hear this. Hit that like button if you want me to. Show you exactly how to use AI safely. Because what I'm about to show, you could save you from my mistakes. Now, let me show you how. I fixed this mess. After 6 hours of panic and troubleshooting, I figured out 3 things. First, never give AI write access to important things without human approval. What I should have done. Tell AI to draft this, not send this. But you press the final button. See the difference? AI helps. Second lesson, always maintain an audit trail. I created a simple system. Every AI action gets logged to a Google Sheet automatically. Now I can see exactly what my AI is doing and when. Third and most important, always have a kill switch. I now have a single button that revokes all AI access simultaneously. One click, everything stops. Took 2 hours to set up, but after what I went through, totally worth it. So, what happened with my client? I caught that email in time. I explained the situation and actually had a great conversation about AI safety. Those 47 notifications, I fixed every single one manually. Took an entire day, but I learned more about AI security in that one day than in months before. And that AI, I still use it, but now I respect it. I understand it's a tool, not a magic solution. Look, I'm telling this story because it's not just my story. My goal isn't to scare you away from AI. AI is incredible. It's changed my life, changed my work. But we're at a moment in history where technology is moving so fast that we haven't figured out the rules yet. That's when people get hurt. And when there are no rules, I'm lucky I caught my mistake in time. But thousands of people right now are making the same mistakes I made. Giving AI too much access, not understanding risks, trusting blindly. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, today, before this video ends, what access did you give? What could go wrong? 2. Implement approval layers. Nothing important happens without your final say. 3. Create your own kill switch. Could be simple. Just a list of where to revoke access. And 4. Share this video. I guarantee someone in your life is using AI without understanding these risks. Send it to them. It might save them from their own disaster. Here's the truth about AI in 2026. It's not going away. It's only going to get more powerful, more integrated into our lives. But that doesn't mean we have to be scared. We just have to be smart. If this story helped you, if you learned something, if you're going to implement these safety measures, hit that like button. Let me know in comments what AI tools you're using and whether you've thought about these security issues. And remember, AI is a tool, but you are the human. Never forget who's supposed to be in control. Subscribe to watch more.